Hello, my dear students. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Yeah, hope all are fine at home, stay safe. Don't go outside. Okay, it is not right time to go. So enjoy the video classes. Okay. Now we are going to do worksheet exercises. Okay. Yesterday we had our online session, right? Today, I hope you have written your writing zone in your FNB, in your fair notebook. Okay. So, today what we are going to do? We are going to do our worksheet part. In your worksheet, you have to write down. आपको worksheet में लिखना होगा. Okay. I will show the picture and I will share the PDF also. Okay. With that, you can write it down. Before that, as we are doing activities, today also we are going to do a activity. Okay, the same thing, the states and capitals names you have to recite, you have to tell. Okay. Okay. Now let's start with our activity. हम एक्टिविटी से आज का क्लास शुरू करते हैं. तो क्या करना है हमें स्टेट्स का और उसका कैपिटल का नाम याद करके बोलना है. हम पहले ऐसे बोलते हैं कि ऑर्डर वाइज, ऑर्डर के हिसाब से बोलते हैं, उसके बाद वापस बोलते हैं. ऐसे कितना टाइम करना है? 5 times you have to do it. Okay. First, starting from Manipur to Rajasthan. Then again you have to say Rajasthan to Manipur. Okay, you understood, right? Let's begin. Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur. Rajasthan, Jaipur, Punjab, Chandigarh, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Nagaland, Kohima, Mizoram, Aizawl, Meghalaya, Shillong, Manipur, Imphal. Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur. The same way you have to say 5 times. Then without looking at book you can say. Okay. So till you get it in your mind you have to recite it. You have to say it. Understood? Okay. Thank you. We will continue with our worksheet part. As I said, worksheet part we will do it today. Okay. Okay. Let's do with our worksheet solution. Before that, I would like to say that yesterday I have shared the PDF of question and answer, right? That in that PDF 4 pages has come, but only 2 pages you have to write. It is repeated one. Okay, you check out it. It is repeated one. Please write it down. Only 2 pages. Don't write it again. Okay, you understood? No, आपको क्या करना है उसमें 2 pages का ही लिखना है. वो नेक्स्ट पेज वाला 3-4 पेज वाला नहीं लिखना है. आपको पता लगा? ओके. तो आज हम क्या करेंगे? वर्कशीट का सॉल्यूशन करेंगे. डे 1 तो हमने पहले कर दिया है ना. डे 1 का तो हो गया हमारा. और डे 2 का और फिर भी मैं डे 1 का एक और बार एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. ओके. फर्स्ट वन, fill in the blanks are there. Fill in the blanks are there. Day 1 में dash are known as young fold mountains. Himalayas are known as young fold mountains. Second one, Himalayas lies in dash of India, north of India. Third one, Himalayas forms a wall between India and China. Yes. Okay, so I will share this PDF also in your group. You have to write it down. Okay. The second one, from east to west Himalaya is spread for 2500 kilometers. Is it true? Yes, it is true one. And second one, Himalayas forms a wall between India and Pakistan. No, it forms a wall between India and China. No, so it is false. And third one, Mount Godwin Austen is the highest peak, but they have not mentioned in which range. That's why you have to write false. It is not a highest peak. Mount Everest is a highest peak. Okay. Fourth one, Himalayas has 5 parallel range at different height. Is it true? No, only 3 parallel range at different height. Okay, the next one, day 2 ka. Yes, it is fill in the blanks again. First one, the first parallel range of Himalayas is Himadri. We call it Himadri. Okay. Second one, dash is located in Nepal. Mount Everest, the highest peak, is located in Nepal. Mount Everest. Third one, Himadri remains covered with snow glaciers throughout the year. Snows are covered in Himadri region. Okay, you understood now? Okay. The next one, answer in one word. Which is the first range of Himalaya? Yes, it is Himadri. Himadri is the first range of Himalaya. And second question, which is the highest peak of the Himadri? Mount Everest is the highest peak of the Himadri. It lies in Mount Everest is in Himadri range. Third one, which is the highest peak located in India? Mount Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is the highest peak located in India. Okay. Turn the next page. Page number 5. Page number 5, day 3. In day 3, it is very easy one. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 are there. Yes. A short manner they have given. Okay. Day 3. In day 3, exercise number 3.1, fill in the blanks. The second range is second range is called Himachal or middle range. And second fill in the blank is dash hill station is located in Himachal range. Shimla hill station is located in Himachal range. Kangra valley is in Himachal range, the same range. Valley also is there. And the exercise number 3.2, answer the following in one word. Answer the following in one word. Name any one hill station in Himachal range. Nainital. I have written 2. You can write either Nainital or Darjeeling. Okay. And second one, which is the third range of Himalayas? The Shivalik is the third range of Himalayas. The Shivalik is the third range of Himalayas. Third one, in which range the slope of mountains are covered with thick forest? In the same Shivalik range, in lower range, that is called Shivalik range, the slope of mountains are covered with thick forest. Forested region is in Shivalik range. Okay. The next one, unscramble the words. Jumble. The words are jumbled. You have to write it in proper way. Okay. First one, Himalayas. Himalayas, Himalayas. And next one, mountain. Mountain, Mountain. And next, third one, Himadri, Himadri. The fourth one, glaciers, Glaciers. Fifth one, valleys, Valleys. Okay, you understood, right? आपको ये सब अच्छी तरह से पता होता है ना? तो आपको अभी लिखना होगा, फिर आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया तो मैं PDF भी भेज देती हूँ. ओके, with this video I will share PDF also. You can see and you can write it down. The exercise number 4.1, fill in the blanks are there. The Himalayas are dash fold mountains. The Himalayas are young fold mountains, comparatively new one. Okay, and the second one, the Himalaya are the source of perennial river. The perennial means they will flow throughout the year. Third one, the mountain also protect the rest of the country from the dash winds from Central Asia. सेंट्रल एशिया से विंड आता है जो आइसी कोल्ड विंड होता है, उसको क्या करता है? माउंटेन रेंज वो आइस विंड आता है तो उसको आने से प्रोटेक्ट करता है इंडिया को. ओके, एंड द एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4.2, आंसर इन वन वर्ड. इट इज in which direction is Himalaya located on the map of India? In north direction the Himalaya is located. In north direction the Himalaya is located. Second one, who saves the India from being a desert? The Himalaya saves the India from being a desert. The Himalaya saves the India from being a desert. Understood? Can we move to next page? Day 4 तो हो गया हमारा. Question bank है. First one, exercise number 1, fill in the blanks are there. Okay, question bank में भी fill in the blanks are there. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन बैंक में क्या है? फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. अगेन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आर देयर. द नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स स्ट्रेच अक्रॉस द डैश बाउंड्री ऑफ इंडिया. द नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स स्ट्रेच अक्रॉस द नेचुरल बाउंड्री ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, the second one, dash and dash are two hill stations located in the Himachal region. हिमाचल रेंज में जो 2 हिल स्टेशंस आता है उसका नाम बताना है. तो शिमला एंड दार्जिलिंग. ओके, द शिमला एंड दार्जिलिंग आर द 2 हिल स्टेशंस located in the Himachal region. Third one, the mountain in the Himadri range is always covered with snow, with ice or snow. Fourth one, Himadri range receives highest rainfall. The Himadri range receives highest rainfall. And the exercise number 2, answer in short. Which mountain range has protected India from foreign inventions? The Himalayas has protected India from foreign invention. Sorry, the spelling I have written is a wrong one. So by mistake I have written this. You have to write INVASIONS. INVASIONS. Invention I have written. You have to write Yes. After again, you have to write yes. Okay. The second one. What is the another name of Himalayas? Abode of snow is the another name of Himalayas. Abode of snow. ABODE. Abode of SNOW. Snow is the another name of Himalayas. Okay. Will you write it in your worksheet? Yes. Tomorrow is Saturday and day after tomorrow is Sunday. You can write it down, right? Okay, I will share the PDF. You have to write it down. Okay. So, we will see the do it yourself and this part of our chapter. Okay. Now, we will see about do it yourself. That part we will discuss now. Okay. Okay. So, in 18, page number 18, the activities are there. Explore your world. So, what you have to do? You have to make a list of 10 important hill stations in India. India में कितना जो हिल स्टेशंस है उसको आप क्या करना है, लिस्ट करना है. आपको 10 हिल स्टेशन का लिस्ट करना है. उसके बाद जो इंडिया का मैप है उसमें लोकेट करना है. ओके, यू हैव टू लोकेट देम इन द मैप ऑफ इंडिया. इंडिया के मैप में आई हैव शेयर्ड दिस पिक्चर. हियर दे हैव मेंशन्ड ऑल द important hill stations, but you have to choose only 10 hill stations. Okay, 10 hill stations you have to choose it. आपको इसमें 10 हिल स्टेशन को चूज करके क्या करना है, उसको मार्क करना है. ओके, इन द इंडियन मैप. ओके, सो विल यू डू दैट? I hope you all will do that. Okay. And the second one, find out the rivers which originate in the Himalayas. Find out the rivers which originate in Himalayas. हिमालय से ओरिजिनेट होता है जो रिवर्स, उसका नाम बताना है. तो इसमें बहुत सारे हैं. आपको ओरिजिनेट कैसे होता है, हिमालय से आइस ग्लेशियर से होता है. तो इंडस, यमुना, गंगा, ब्रह्मपुत्र, these are the rivers originate in Himalayas. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next one, D में क्या है? D में do it yourself. On an outline map of India, locate and label the following. So, that also I will show it to you. Okay. Wait. Yes. Here you can see the Karakoram range. No? Karakoram range. A Karakoram range. So, you have to locate it in and label it. Okay. A Karakoram range. B Mount Everest in Nepal. The black dotted area is there, no? You can see the black dotted area, right? That is Mount Everest, the highest peak. And C Nepal. You have to write Nepal or C. And Bhutan. D Bhutan. Bhutan, yes. And Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Here you can see Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Here you can see Arunachal Pradesh. And then Assam. Assam. F. Assam. And then river Brahmaputra near Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. And then it will move to West Bengal and then sorry, in Bengal, Bangladesh. Yes, you can see it will go to ocean of Bay of Bengal. Okay, you have to mention all these areas, all these places. Okay, you understood, right? Take a outline map of India and you have to locate these all the places. Karakoram, Mount Everest, Nepal, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and river Brahmaputra. You understood? Okay, good. Okay, the next question is collect and paste the photographs of 5 Indians who have scaled the Mount Everest. So, these are the pictures. You can go through the Google search and you can find out many Indians who have scaled the Mount Everest. Okay, Arunima Sinha is a lady and Anshu Jamsingpa also, and many are there. So what you have to do, you have to collect their pictures and you have to stick it in a page, in a sheet. You have to stick and write their name. Understood? Will you do it? Okay. So I hope you all will do the activity and map work also. It is very important, map work also. Okay? You have to do it. Understood? Okay. Let's wind up the class today by this. Bye bye. We have studied our second chapter and in next video I would like to explain a new chapter. Very interesting one. Okay. Let's see that. Bye bye. Take care.